In today's vlog, I will be giving you guys an update of this week's trials and tribulations, as well as an update on my recent injury. Hey guys, I'm Brandy. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. I am super excited to have you guys along with me. So let's jump right into it. What's up, guys? Welcome to today's vlog. Oh my gosh, I have so much to share with you guys. It's been a long week. My week didn't go as planned, so I have a lot to share with you guys, right? So I hope everybody is doing great today. I worked out this week, not as many times as I wanted to. I also injured myself this week. The only thing I did do right this week was drink water and eat. I ate well, you know, according to and staying within like my points. And I think I might have went over one day or 2 days over like the daily points, the what do you call that? I forget what they call it. It's like a little bit of a leeway after your daily points. The grace, we'll say the grace points, right? So I think I went over those like maybe once or twice. But overall, I did extremely well with eating this week. I did work out, which I will share with you guys in my video later in this week. This week was supposed to be the week I go to the gym. And this week with work and personal, it was hectic. I just want to scream and steam come from my head, right? So, and I know every week does not go as planned, but I do like to, I look forward to my schedule. So when I set things in place, I like to get it done. So when I don't do it, I feel at the end of the day or like the end of the week, like, man, that was a doozy, right? Brandy, you could have made time, you could have did it. So I worked out once this week. So Thursday, oh yeah, and I did cook, and I will share a video because I did videotape, you know, what I cooked, which lasted a few days, which was great, right? But on Thursday, I was supposed to work out, and I didn't get a chance to work out, you know, during my lunch break. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go pick up the baby, and then when I come home, I'll get her, you know, eating dinner, and I'll do like a quick 20-minute workout. So this week was extremely busy. So my first workout was, I did 45 minutes of cardio kickboxing in the living room, which literally kicked my butt. I wanted to fall out and quit probably like 3 or 4 times. But the important thing with that workout, and it's an old workout, it's Turbo Jam by Chalene Johnson, right? I love doing Turbo Jam because it always whips me back into shape, no matter what stage I am in my process, beginning, middle, end, whatever. That DVD kicks my butt every single time. So I had planned on doing it, you know, while she was eating dinner on Thursday, this past Thursday. So I was, you know, logged off from work, and I was like, oh yeah, I need to mop the kitchen floor real quick. You know, my daughter likes to lay on the floor, like when I'm in the kitchen cooking or whatever. She likes to lay, slide, or whatever on the floor. So I always try to keep it mopped, you know. So I said, okay, let me mop the floor and for her. And then I had some Amazon packages come. Everybody loves Amazon. I think I need to go to counseling for it. I really do. Somebody come take my card. You have my permission. No, you don't. Don't take it though. But I had some packages coming from Amazon, and I hadn't had a chance to, you know, look through them. So I said, okay, let me put the packages in the laundry room and go get a baby. So I put the packages in the laundry room, and I was like, oh man, my phone is sitting on my desk. I work from home, by the way. So I come running, y'all, literally running through the kitchen, and it should have been that song on TikTok. Oh no, oh no, 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 because that's really what should have been playing, right? My right leg went straight up and straight out, and my left leg bent backwards. And I mean, I fell so hard. And I'm a big girl. Y'all see the videos. I'm not a small, I'm a ham bone. You feel me, right? So all that weight in my left leg bent backwards, just like I hyperextended my left leg. I screamed and everything, y'all. And I'm not really like, I mean, I screamed to the point where I heard my neighbor upstairs. I heard his feet like go pat, pat, pat. And then I could hear him standing over top in his kitchen, standing over top of me. Like he was probably trying to listen. But I literally screamed. I was in so much pain. It's like my knee bent. And then by the floor being wet, it was like a half split. Like, like something like that. But my leg was bent backwards. So right now, if I turn my leg in and keep my toes straight, it will take me down, like literally take me down. So I have been nursing my leg with a leave, icing my knee. That night, from my hip to my ankle, my whole left leg was throbbing. About the worst pain. I was about 2 seconds from going to the emergency room. And my mom was like, you need to go to the emergency room. I was like, I don't know, man. I don't know. So then today's Saturday. So yesterday, Friday, I was like, maybe I'll just make a doctor's appointment because the leave was only touching the surface. So here we are Saturday, and it is just okay. I'm still walking with a limp. I'm down for the count. Pretty much is what I'm trying to say. I'm actually down for the count for maybe at least like a week or two, but I have been racking my brain on how I can still do some workouts without technically physically, moving like I was on my vigorous workouts that you guys have seen before in my videos. So stay tuned to next week's videos because I have a surprise. It's probably not a surprise and it's probably been done before, but it's a surprise for me because I'm determined to keep movement in my body while I'm trying to heal my left leg, and not use my left leg. So that was my biggest doozy this week. I couldn't believe I forgot, you guys. I was laying on the floor in the kitchen floor like, oh my God, right? It was crazy. So I did record my video of me working out and my food and everything. So I'm going to continue on making sure I track my food with Weight Watchers, making sure I drink my water, staying hydrated. It's so hot and muggy, right? Today, making sure I keep doing all that. I haven't lost that much weight, and actually it's almost about like 6 pounds, I want to say, but I feel like I've lost like inches, because like when I look in the mirror, like my stomach looks like it's going down a little bit. So I feel like I'm losing inches, not so much as weight at first. Hey, which is cool. Every little bit counts, if you know what I mean, right? So I'm going to share my videos with you guys. I just wanted to come in and drop in and update you guys on my lifestyle this week. Nothing else dramatic has pretty much changed. I am still on this journey because it's a marathon. It's not a race. And I'm going to get to my end goal, which is my goal weight eventually. But I'm not going to give up. Like, even with this little bit of setback with my leg hurting and stuff, I'm finding another way that I can do some type of exercise, without putting my leg at risk and hurting myself, which I will definitely share with you guys next week. So I'm going to go ahead and share my videos with you guys. I appreciate you guys for rocking with me each and every single week. Share any tips or tricks in the comments you guys have for me as I'm trying to figure out other ways to work out. I am going to start probably doing some like therapeutic motions with my leg to keep it moving so it doesn't get stiff, because I realize when I sit down for a long time and have my leg extended, and I try to get up and walk, I'm like, it's really stiff, and then I pan out or whatever. So I appreciate you guys for rocking with me. So until next time, take care.